the motion picture.
So, Jody, are you gonna be able to go out tonight? Oh, you're going to Brad's party too? No, I wasn't invited. Okay. Thanks anyway. Bye. I never get invited to parties. 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 I never get invited to parties.
There's nothing out here.
What? Where? Huh?
Look at it.
Whoa, what? Where?
What?
Let's have a seat. What? Hey, here. Whoa.
Giddy, Dad. You got the broom. Nothing out here.
Are you giddy, Jody? Are you giddy? Whoa. We don't grow like that no more, bro.
It was just a chicken, Jody.
Let's go party.
Hey, it was just a chicken.
I don't will. That's your friend. Yeah, she's just chicken. Oh, yeah, right. Yes,
there was. I know what I saw.
Look. Eyes look, dude. That's my woman, man.
Let's clean this place up, man. Some party there, butthead. I don't know. Let's clean her up.
Oh, we'll get her out of here.
Help me, bud. Help me.
Hey, that is.
Whoopsie daisy.
That's the big.
Whoa. Let's put her in there for a while. Oh, man. Whoopsie daisy. Whoa. Oh no. Oh man. What's going on?
Did you go?
Oh man. Jeez.
Whoa.
What a night. Will two friends go at it this hard just for a beer?